you are anointed by God, you will have an impact wherever you go. You will be fruitful in your ministry. Now, there is a mystery about God's call that can only be answered in the heart of God. In fact, God often calls the unlikely into the position of authority. Ngoba uma uNkulunkulu ebeza umuntu umnikeza iministry. Ingakho iBhayibheli lithi he gave some to be apostles, some. Ngamanye amagama uma ubizwe uNkulunkulu, you must have an office uNkulunkulu akubizele kulo. Sibingelele egameni elihle lenkosi yethu Jesu Kristu. Sibonga kakhulu uNkulunkulu, siqhubeka nesubject yethu. This is part 3. We subject about the divine call. Now amavesi eswafundile noma engathi mhlambe ke i-theme verse yale subject is 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse number 28, and also the book of Ephesians chapter 4 verse number 11. Lithi izwi lenkosi, and God had set some in the church, first apostles, secondarily prophets, thirdly teachers, after that miracles, then gifts of healings, helps, government, diversities of tongues. Then Ephesians 4 verse number 11, and he gave some apostles and some prophets and some evangelists and some pastors and teachers. Now, we have said ukuthi amagama awukhiye as well, speaking about the divine call ukubizwa komuntu ebizwa uNkulunkulu for the ministry. The key words here amagama ati, and God had set some. It must be God who set some in the church, ngoba kuyenzeka ukuthi kube khona vice versa, uthola ukuthi kukhona abantu abangena kwi-ministry because of influence yabanye abantu. It must be God who set people in the church. Njengoba no Paul esho kwabaseFesu ukuthi he gave some, uJesu noma enikeza the ministry gift kwaba uyena uJesu, who is supposed to give people, anoint people for different ministries. That is very important. Now we have tried to unpack mhlambe izinto ezibalekile kusukela ku part 1 of this subject. Sikhuluma ngohlobo labantu ababizwa uNkulunkulu ukuthi bahlukene kathathu. Sinabantu abayibize bona bangena emsebenzini kaNkulunkulu for their own personal agenda, of which is one of the reason why ibandla likaNkulunkulu lingakwazi ukumove effectively, because once we are led by people who are not divinely called, leyo nto ke iblocker yonke into uNkulunkulu angayenza, because abantu ababizwa uNkulunkulu kufanele kube ngabantu who are taking orders from God, abangabuzi kwinyama negazi, abangabuzi emntwini. Now we have tried also indaba ukuthi how can you discern, how can you sense ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubizile, how can you be sure ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubizile. We have tried to pick up izinto ezibalekile nanokuthi ke well uNkulunkulu you are sure ukuthi ukubizile, but fanele kube khona izinto ezingama indications kuwena, like you must have inhliziyo yomsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. Baningi abantu abasemsebenzini wenkosi kodwa abanayo inhliziyo yomsebenzi, yet they are called, they are claiming to be called by God. And then also sakubeka ukuthi ezinye zezinto kufanele ukuthi vele iministry ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukunikezeni. So ngoba when we operate emsebenzini kaNkulunkulu, into eyenza ukuthi umuntu obizwe uNkulunkulu abe fruitful, abe effective, it is the anointing. There must be anointing that is upon your life. Ingakho uJesu ethe kubafundi bakhe, hlalani emzini nize nembathiswe amandla kaMoya Engcwele. You know, ungaya eBible school ube nayo theology, it is very good ukuba ne-information, but once you stand before the people, fanele kube ngaphezulu kokuthi ungumuntu who is well versed ngendaba yeBhayibheli, but there must be an anointing, because ngale kwalokho you will inform people. You will never transform people because information iyodwa does not make any impact kumuntu obizwe uNkulunkulu. Kufanele ukuthi isandla sikaNkulunkulu sibe phezu kwakho, njengoba esho uHezekiel uma ngabe uNkulunkulu emlidela esigodini samathambo omile, uthi isandla sikaJehova sasiphezu kwami sangihola ngomoya. The hand of the Lord must be upon you uma ubizwe uNkulunkulu. uJesu uma ngabe efika ezoqala iministry yakhe ku chapter 4 encwadini kaLuke uverse number 18, uthi the Spirit of the Lord is upon me, he has anointed me. Abantu ababizwe uNkulunkulu must be anointed. Ngaphezu kwento zonke, you know, sometimes ungahlala ungabi nayo i-education, kodwa i-anointing kufanele ukuthi kube yona nto ebonakala kumuntu obizwe uNkulunkulu, ugcobo elithi iBhayibheli lephula onke amajoka esitha. That is very important. Now, I'm not going to wrap up everything esiqale ngayo because of time. Ngifuna ukuthi ke mhlambe ke siqedele kulokho okusalile. We are going to speak ngendaba ye preparation shortly for i-calling, ukuthi kubaleka kangakanani ukuthi abantu uma bebizwa uNkulunkulu bayiconsider indaba ye preparation, because uNkulunkulu does not use an unprepared material. You must be well prepared. Okokuqala nje uma uNkulunkulu ebiza umuntu kufanele ukuthi lowo muntu abe ngumuntu oye wazi submitter or submissive, abe kwi local church, because uNkulunkulu akambiza umuntu outside the church. You must be in the local church, and ukhonza ukwi local church is one of the preparations. Uyezwakala umuntu oleader umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu, umuntu ophethe umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu uma engazange ahlale kwi local church, akhonzwe, alidwe, aphathwe. You know, awukwazi ukuphatha abantu ungazange uphathwe, awukwazi ukulida abantu ungazange ulidwe, ngoba uma uzolida abantu uzolida ngendlela owalidwa ngayo. For an example, let me read for you this book. I think is Philippians chapter 4, verse number 9. Lithi iBhayibheli, the things which you learned and received and heard and saw in me, these do, lokho kwenze, and the God of peace will be with you. The things which you learned and received and heard and saw in me. Ngamagama fanele ube ngumuntu oyewalidwa, ube ngumuntu oyewafunda under the leadership, ube ngumuntu oyewasubmitter under the spiritual authority. I-preparation leyo ebalekile ukuthi abantu before bangene emsebenzini kaNkulunkulu kube ngabantu abaye bakhonza, abavela kwi-local assembly, because i-local church isona skole sakho esikhulu sakomoya. It's a first Bible school ongamele uyeqe, ungaya kuleyo theology, but i-Bible school enkulu yi-local church. Umuntu ongazange aphatheke, ongazange akhonze in a local church, uyabonakala, he cannot lead other people, because akazange aholwe. Now ke uthi ke uPaul izinto ozibone kimi wazifunda kimi uthi yenza zona ku chapter 2 verse number 2 second book of Timothy nakhona uthi izinto ozizwe kimi Timothy phakathi kofakazi abaningi thatha the very same thing udlulisele kwabanye abantu abathembekile abayoba namandla nabo okuzidlulisela kwabanye abantu. That is very important kwindaba ye preparation. Now we need to understand ukuthi there is a process uNkulunkulu afaka kuyo umuntu before amathembele calling amathembele umsebenzi. Now ke uma senza nje example uDavide waqala waba ishepherd welusa izimvu zikayise. God was preparing uDavid ukuthi one day he's going to tend God's flock uyolusa umhlambi kaNkulunkulu. And also Moses was 40 years lapaya in Pharaoh's court, and also 40 years in the desert before he can take the place in leadership. Ngokwe assignment uNkulunkulu ayembizele yona. That is very important ukuthi sivumele ipreparation. Sometimes ke uNkulunkulu uma prepare umuntu akamprepare ngendlela efunwa uye. Yingakho uPaul, uDavide wafunda is secret ye submission. You know when you submit, because submission is one of the keys la kwi preparation. Now you need to submit yourself under authority, and submission ungayenzi ibe conditional. Kufanele ukuthi usubmit une understanding yokuthi uma usubmita awenzeli umuntu osubmita kuyena. That is why uDavide uthe uma ngabe esubmita wasubmita under the leadership of Saul. Indoda iBhayibheli elibhale black and white ukuthi uNkulunkulu wathutha kuSaul, but uDavide wasubmita ngaphansi kwendoda engena uNkulunkulu ngoba ebambe isecret yokuthi isubmission akumele ibe conditional, and isubmission angiyenzeli omunye umuntu, it is for my own benefit. Now that is why I'm saying uma uzovumela ipreparation, uma uNkulunkulu ezokuprepare, you don't choose ukuthi uNkulunkulu kufanele akuprepare kanjani, but you must allow uNkulunkulu, you must allow icebo likaNkulunkulu over your life as uNkulunkulu ekuprepare. So that is very important. Now I want to touch on some very important things here ukuthi mhlambe uma sidlula kwindaba ye preparation. I'm just summarizing. There is a lot kwindaba ye preparation. Njengoba ngimention indaba yokusubmita kwe spiritual authority ukwi local church. It's another way of preparation. And number 2, uyenza I process of preparation ungayenzi ibe conditional. Wazi ukuthi it is for your own benefit. Ukuba usubmite uvumele uNkulunkulu ukuthi akulide ngohlobo lwabantu sometimes obonayo ukuthi inyama yakho ayivumi, but ngoba ubambe isecret ye submission. And it's very important. And another way ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubizele kulomsebenzi esikhuluma ngawo kwi ministry kubalekile ukuthi far above indaba ye calling, you must try by all means to upgrade your knowledge and go to Bible school so that you may be competent in your calling. You know, in as much as uNkulunkulu ekubizile, fanele wazi ukuthi lapha ya emsebenzini kaNkulunkulu, especially ebandleni, ibandla alakhiwa I-calling. Ibandla alakhiwa I-calling. Fanele ibambe leyo nto. Ibandla lidinga I-ministry. That is number 1. Lidinga I-ministry. You must be anointed. You must operate kwi office ethile. It's either you are an apostle, it's either you are a prophet, evangelist, teacher, pastor. Phakathi kwalama ministries awu5 fanele bekhona eyodwa operator kuyona. So ngoba ibandla ukubizwa into eyenza iassurance kuwe wena obiziweyo, but ibandla ngeke ulakhe ngokuthi ubiziwe, uzolakha ngenxa ukuthi unento yalo, ngoba ibandla lidinga into yalo, ibandla lidinga iministry. You must be sure that God has anointed you, and you must be sure of your ministry ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukubizele kuphi. That is very important. Now far above indaba ye ministry also you need to learn, equip yourself. Langena khona ke indaba yokuthi you can go to the Bible school so that you may be competent ube fit for your calling, ube fruitful, ube ne-impact endabeni yokubizwa kwakho. Konke lokho it falls under indaba ye-preparation, which is very important. Now, sengiya-ke ngasekugcineni ngifuna ukuthinta-ke le ndaba that is very important ukuthi abantu ababizwa uNkulunkulu babonakala ngani, because we have got many people these days and abanye indaba ye-fivefold ministry bayithatha njengendaba yama-titles. Kulula ukuthi umuntu ayibize ngompostoli, kulula ukuthi umuntu ayibize ngomprofeti, kube yi-title, kungabi yi-ministry, because akukho necessary ukuthi uzititleise nge-ministry ethile. Into ebalulekile ukwenza inkonzo ukuthi this apostleship ongaphansi kwayo noma mhlambe ozititlishe ngayo iyabonakala yini ekwenzeni kwakho. That is very important. We are not against indaba yokuthi abantu abashumayela evangeli, abantu abaphethe umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu kufanele ukuthi baziwe ngokwama ministries abo. That is very important. We need to know ukuthi uNkulunkulu ukunikeze ini, kodwa indaba yokuthi sikuthathe as a title ila kufuneka konakala khona izinto. It is not a title, isho umsebenzi, it is a ministry. That is why uma uNkulunkulu ebiza uBarnabas no Paul, kune statement that is very very powerful when you read incwadi yezenzo chapter 13, I think verse number 2 if not verse number 3, uthi ngikhipheleni oBarnaba noSaul baye emsebenzini. You must underline amagama athi baye emsebenzini, baye emsebenzini engibabizele wona. Now, apostolic ministry is a work that must be seen ekusebenzeni kwakho lapha. It's a ministry fanele ibonakale ekusebenzeni kwakho. If you are a prophet, fanele kubonakale ukusebenza usetshenziswa uNkulunkulu ukuthi you are operating kwi dimension ye prophetic ministry. Uthi uNkulunkulu ke abaye emsebenzini. It is not about title, it is about work. Ukuthi yini oyenzayo as you have called yourself an apostle or a prophet. That is very important. Now ke abantu ababezwe uNkulunkulu sibabona ngani? How can you observe? How can you tell ukuthi lo muntu is a man of God? You remember indaba yomshunemikazi before kuzokwakhiwa i-upper room atshene umyeni wakhe, kunamagama awakhulumayo. Uthi uma etshela umyeni wakhe ukuthi akakhiwe upper room, uthi now I know that this is a holy man of God. Now I know. Kusho ukuthi ke uye wa observe up until waba convinced ukuthi truly this is a man of God. Now leli gama lika man of God akulona igama ongalinika inoma ubani, yigama leli okufanele ukuthi ube sure ngalo ukuthi uthini uma uthi umuntu is a man of God. Now umshunemekazi ke uthi now I know because this prophet of God ubemana adlula la kulomuzi womshunemekazi, and this woman was observing this man up until waba convinced ukuthi no, this is not an ordinary man, this is a man of God. Babonakala kanjani abantu ababiziwe uNkulunkulu? Number 1, babona ngehumbleness, intobeko. That is Ephesians chapter 3 verse number 8. Humbleness, they are humbled. Now pride ikuputha off endabeni yokuthi you can be called a man of God. Now abantu ababezwe uNkulunkulu ubabona ngento, they are down on earth. Even nomntwana ka Sunday school kulula ukuthi approach umuntu who is a man of God. Humbleness. Number 2, they know their God. Bayamazi uNkulunkulu wabo. That is Ephesians 4 verse number 4 up to verse number 6. Bayamazi, they know their God. Number 3, abantu ababezwe uNkulunkulu, they know that God has put his hand upon them. Bane assurance yokuthi isandla sikaNkulunkulu siphezu kwabo. That is very important. That is very important. Number 4, abantu ababezwe uNkulunkulu, they see themselves as God sees them. Bazibona ngokweso likaNkulunkulu. Romans 9 verse 20 up to 21. Ngoba uma ungazibuki ngendlela uNkulunkulu akubuka ngayo, you will be discouraged in the ministry, because you know anointing ephezu kwakho. Anointing is one of the things as sensitive. Anointing iyakwazi ukusokola. if uma uzombuka umuntu ogcotshwe uNkulunkulu umbuke with an attitude yokumdespise. No, you see, umuntu obizwe uNkulunkulu akakwazi ukusebenza endaweni la engamukeleke khona, because iattitude iyacounter kwi-anointing. I-anointing ifuna ukwamukelwa kuqala before izo-operator. So ke bazibuka ngendlela uNkulunkulu ababuka ngayo. Number 5, they have a perseverance and power that is beyond themselves. Ubabona ukuthi bayakwazi ukubekezela, bayakwazi ukuba sezimweni. Wena othi mangabe ubuka ube nento ethi ngeke ngilungeke if abantu ababezwe uNkulunkulu kanti baphinde badlule ezimweni ezinjengalezi. They have got that perseverance and power that is beyond themselves. Glory to Jesus. That is Philip chapter 4 verse number 13. Uthi uPaul, I can do all things. Banamandla adlulele angaphezu kwamandla abanawo. Number 6, they have hope. Banethemba. They have hope. That is Ephesians 1 verse number 18 up to